This is no ordinary smartwatch. This smartwatch helps you to lead a healthy and prosperous life. At least that's what it says on the front of the box, which is a pretty big claim. And I gotta say, after my recent trip to Japan, where I went to the Pom Pom Purin Cafe, my confidence that a Sanrio co-branded product is going to live up to my expectations is pretty low, but it is cute. My goodness, is it ever cute. This is the very first smartwatch made for adults, branded with Sanrio characters. And if the product literature is anything to go by, the feature set is actually shockingly complete. It's IP68, is compatible with standard 22mm bands if you wanted to replace the adorable Hello Kitty strap that comes pre-installed. It's microfiber leather, so not real leather, but it actually feels pretty solid, by the way. And it comes equipped with a whole suite of sensors: blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, step counting, and even skin temperature monitoring. They say they can track how many calories you've burned and even boast 2-hour charging rates with 7 to 10 days of battery life claimed off of that charge. Though they did note that if the microphone and speakers are active, that could go down. Let's take a closer look at the accessories really quick here. Got some documentation in Japanese. It is a Japan-only product, so that makes sense. 13 languages! It really does make you wonder, and I wonder this about a lot of Japanese companies and products. If you're gonna put all the work in to internationalize your product, sell it there? I mean, to be clear, as someone who has worked in developing products before, yeah, it's not always that simple, I get it, but. Beat the tariffs with the ShipStorm sale event at lttstore.com. We are offering free shipping on any order worldwide over $150 US. So it's a great time to pick up a commuter backpack, a precision screwdriver, or a stylish framework hoodie. Oh, I took it off to put on this jacket. The point is, we've also got never before seen pricing on our MCM Essentials bundle. Don't miss it. We'll have it linked down below. Okay, charger goes on a little something like that. Pretty classic smartwatch charger interface, not the strongest magnet I've ever seen. Only goes on the one way. It's compatible with both Android and iOS, and oh wow. Immediately noticeable is the low resolution of the display, 240 by 284. Not great. Oh, well, it's a smartwatch. Why do I have to tell it what year it is? Oh, okay, not super responsive. What, I have to tell you what time it is? Oh my God, this is the interface? You have to swipe once for every. Oy. That is a cute watch face. With a giant bezel though. Goodness gracious. Okay. Yep, that's not a lot of slack for me. This is not the most comfortable strap I've ever worn. I feel like that's not really the point though. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, the crown doesn't, nope, yeah. Oh, wow, that's a really fast timeout. Oh, wow, that's it? That's it, that's all, baby. Wow. Oh, you can start a workout though. 20 different workouts, including plank. What is spinning bike? Oh, elliptical. Oh wait, but that's an elliptical. Wait, what the hell is the difference between, wait, what? Whoa, what just happened? What just happened? What just happened is I need to tell you about our sponsor, War Thunder. Get behind the controls of iconic vehicles and wreak havoc on the battlefield. From World War II tanks to modern era jets, each vehicle is modeled after its real-life counterpart, with each component susceptible to different degrees of damage. That level of detail, along with authentic and immersive sound effects, leads to an experience that almost anyone can enjoy. Start playing for free today on PC, console, or even mobile at the link in the video description. Breathe? That doesn't count. That's not one of your 20 exercises. Okay, sure. Hey, but they got badminton! Let's go! Okay, here, hold on, I'm gonna play some badminton. Split stack, make a shot, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna make a shot, then I'm gonna make another shot, and then I'm gonna defend, I'm gonna do something over here, and then I'm gonna go up, kill, and then I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna see if it has any idea that I did anything. My heart rate is 92 from just that, because, okay, it doesn't track like how many racket swings or anything like that, like the OnePlus One does. What was the point of me telling it I'm playing badminton then, if all it's gonna do is track steps, heart rate, and calories? Okay, stop. Too little data to save. Yeah, well. Fuck you too, watch. I'll work out however long I want. Battery. Only show time, other function. Oh, long press. Oh my God, the way it truncates words, like after one letter. This like 3-second timeout is driving me nuts. Like it isn't long enough to read a message on the screen. Plus side of a watch like this is they're not tracking and selling your data, okay? Because there's no way they're competent enough to do that. One of the big features is that there's 6 watch faces to choose from. That's specifically the Hello Kitty ones though. You can have other ones or you can upload your own or whatever. But let's go through all the Hello Kitty ones that are included. That one's pretty cute. That's pretty cute. Man, copyright 25, Sanrio, L. Like, come on, man! I get it, but really? What the f, man? It's baked into all these images. Look, it's in a different spot here. That's messed up. It says watch face. You don't. I've been using this thing for less than 15 minutes and I already want to like huck it at the wall for how often it turns off. Okay, let's see if it can at least brighten when I lift it up. That delay though. Oh, okay. Okay, it's off again. Oh, whew. Did you see how fast it turned off again too? Wow, what a piece of shit. What can it even do? There's like no apps. Okay, hold on, music. I can, oh, I can pair to my phone. Oh, the other one's paired to the phone. Okay, sure, no, we'll check out the other one. Cinema Roll. Dude, like a dude with thicker would not even be able to like wear these. I was gonna say, we deserve better, you know, from these big brands as consumers, but we don't. We don't deserve better because as long as we keep giving them money, we deserve the shit that they shovel at us. That's what we deserve. The boot up time is really fast though. I gotta give them that. All devices, here we go. Okay, hold on. Is that an alarm? Scene control. Yeah, right. Ambitious. There it is, alarm. Okay, so you can add alarms here. Okay. Hold on. What else we got here? What is this? Blood pressure. Pressure? I feel like my blood pressure reading is gonna be pretty high right now. That's a flashlight. Wrist turn wrist open. What is the difference? Did it change that? That wasn't even a setting on here last time. Wrist lift setting. Sensitive mode. Well, this is a whole new menu. Okay, let's see. Is it faster? No. Screen time set though. Let's go, you can have up to 1 minute. Okay, there we go. Okay, find bracelet, click to find. Can you even hear that? Yeah. That's the find my button. That's it, 2 vibrates and that's all you get. One of the big features is of course the Hello Kitty character voices that were made for this watch or something.
Just do alarm, just make it easy.
Just do an alarm. Oh, okay, so I gotta do this thing's alarm.
Wait,
Yeah, I'm changing it. Oh my God, it is so hard to get it to move 1 notch. There. Okay, once. Huh. How much is this thing? Actually, no, don't tell me. Let me guess. It's for adults, so that means somewhere between $15 at the drugstore and $15 million. It's branded, so that means it costs 3 to 5 times as much. So somewhere between $50 and $50 million then. I wanna give 2 different values. One for how much it's actually worth for the tech that's in it, and one for how much I think they're charging for this based on that it's like kind of cute. This is an AliExpress special. It's worth like 60 bucks, maybe 40. How much they're charging for it? I'm gonna say 300 USD.
Wow. 96 US dollars when converted from Japanese yen.
96 US dollars, okay. So the upcharge for it being, yeah, essentially just like AliExpress grade rubbish is only about double. Well, with that in mind then, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Hello Kitty Sanrio character smartwatches for anyone who doesn't really care about the functionality of their smartwatch, but just wants to show that they are blindly loyal to Sanrio by wearing it on their wrist. That is my recommendation. Very qualified recommendation, but a recommendation nonetheless. Subscribe to ShortCircuit.